Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Triumph Street Twin 900. This bike is so cool. It's got a lot of nice add-ons, beautiful matte black finish, only 1,245 miles. I love those fork gaiters on the front, really retro style, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got an awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust. Wait till you hear that. Really cool resin bag. It's got the custom Triumph seat. Bar end mirrors. Really nice upgrade on the brake fluid reservoir. Again, just 1,245 miles. This bike is not going to be here long. It's only $79.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.